Alright, hi, we're back. We got another tech tip for you. So when you look around this pool, you see the nice beautiful yellow staining on there. You can see the staining on the liner going around in the pool. So there's two kinds of stains. There's an iron stain and then there's a copper stain. This in particular is an iron stain, and I know that by looking at kind of the yellowing of it. And so what we want to use for that is the Erase Iron Remover. And the Erase Iron Remover, this stuff is like magic. If it doesn't work instantly, it's not what you have for a stain. So all you have to do, this is 1 pound or 1 3/4 pounds per 10,000 gallons of water. That will remove all the stains off the pool. After you put this in, 1 hour later, you have to add the Pool Magnet Plus along with a sparkle up to your sand filter, and that has an electronic charge to it, which will take all the rest of this iron out because it's going to pull it back into suspension in the water. You won't be able to see it. It'll still be there, so we got to get it out. So to apply this, you can just apply it right over top. And if you watch it, it'll settle right down, and you can see it makes it all disappear just like magic. This is truly some of the coolest stuff that you can do in water chemistry. So it works that fast and it does that good of a job. And just pouring it right down the wall, you'll be able to see it streak right down the wall. It's going to go around, it's going to get in the solution, and it will take it out the rest of the pool all the way around. So all we're going to do is just dump the rest of that in. We can come back in an hour and this pool will be looking beautiful. So that's today's tech tip on Erase Iron Stain Removal.